Happy Thursday morning. There's going to be oral argument this morning in front of the Supreme Court about one of the birthright citizenship cases, but birthright citizenship is not the question that's before the court today. The question before the court today is whether a district court judge, a federal district court judge, so you have the Supreme Court, then you have the circuit courts, which is the courts of appeal, and each circuit is made up of several district courts, the trial court. Whether a district court judge in Brownsville, Texas, or Washington, D.C. can issue an injunction that applies nationwide. Trump, his administration, and Republicans don't like that now because, as we saw previously, a district court judge had issued a nationwide injunction against deporting anyone pursuant to the Alien Enemies Act without due process. So in this context, the Trump administration doesn't like that. A few years ago, they loved that district court judges could issue nationwide injunctions, as Judge Matthew Kaczmarek, I think he's in Amarillo, Texas, issued a nationwide injunction against the sale and distribution of abortion medication, mifepristone. In that context, they love it. When it comes to immigration, they don't like that. So they want the Supreme Court to issue a ruling that district court judges cannot issue nationwide injunctions as it relates to immigration. So the question before the court today is not on the substance of birthright citizenship. That subject will no doubt come up in oral argument. It'll no doubt be raised by the liberal justices in their questioning of counsel representing the government, because Donald Trump has issued an order saying that birthright citizenship is not a thing, even though it's explicitly in the 14th Amendment of the Constitution. So, but I just want everybody to be clear about what the issue is today before the court. I have a busy morning. I won't be able to listen to the oral arguments live, but it'll be interesting to catch some recaps and see which justices ask which questions. But they're not, who knows? It's this Supreme Court. So if the conservatives are feeling particularly activist, we'll see what they do. But the validity or invalidity of birthright citizenship is not the question that's before the court today. It's just about nationwide injunctions.